Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I have a video almost like this, but not exactly. Somebody sent me a screenshot and they've inadvertently put their color palette up top where I just put mine. And also they have the names of the colors, so they only have a few showing, so you have to really go through the color to get them. I don't know if you can see this on your monitor, but there's some dotted lines right there. All you have to do is hold down your left mouse button and redock it. You'll actually see something flash. And now you got your color palette over here, but we still have the names, so you can go here and take off show color names, and now your palette is back to where it should be, as in default. I just made a video about this yesterday and I didn't quite nail this down, but this way you can have your color palette. So if you ever want the names, you could just left click your mouse and show the names of the colors. But the bad thing is you only can see not as many because there's quite a bit bigger. So just left click, take away the check, and you got your color palette. You can put your color palette anywhere. You put it there. You know, sometimes it becomes a little hard to move it, so you've got to move it, be able to see those little bitty dots, and then just redock it, and you'll see a flash, and that means it's dockable, I guess. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.